We almost play a flute like that, couldn't we? So, the aim of the game today is we're going to make a boost bottle out of PVC pipe. The reality is I've spent enough on the crap that I need to build it. I could have just bought a BBR shooting boost bottle, but apparently PVC pipe works wonders. So I've got a couple of things I need to try. Now the video I watched, the guy made it 6 inches, which is more or less 15 centimeters. Glasses on. That is perhaps not the prettiest thing. Alright, that's essentially what we're looking at there. Now the idea is we're going to tap one into there. Alright, here's a hot tip. If, like me, you don't have a proper chuck, 5mm Allen, stick it in there. Does the job just as well. The idea is that we're going to drill into about there so that we get our hose nozzle sticking out on a bit of an angle, so like that. Alright, well, instead of trying to punch straight in with a 5mm hole, we'll start with the 2.5. Go 2.5 to 5 to 9, or to 8 and 9, depending on how clean it is. Wrong way, give me that back. Normally I'd take that out at this point, but now I did buy fresh Dremel bits specifically for cleaning up the pus in there, which I might just go ahead and do that now before I get too carried away. No more dremeling, because otherwise I'll make the hole wider than I need. Trying to keep our threads nice and square. getting nice little spirals out of the tap there. A lot of junk coming off it. Look at that. I don't even know if it's going to show up on there, but lovely formed threads in there now. So, dirty workspace notwithstanding, I need scissors. Teflon tape around the thread to help the seal. So what we have in there is a clean thread. Doesn't just pull out, which is good, and doesn't push out, which is doubly good. Alright, that is basically what the boost bottle is going to look like. I just have to get the finishing touches on it. My next port of call is to clean up the inside of all of this, and we will get the PVC glue out and glue it all up. So we have PVC cement for pressure pipes, and well, I don't imagine that the little two-stroke is going to create that much pressure that this glue is not going to be able to hold it. So what we plan to do is paint around the inside here, paint around the inside there. Oh my god, that smells already, so we'll try and do this as quickly as we can. Oh, look at that, it comes with a brush. We're not using the brush, we're using, don't do that again, this little paintbrush. So let me just get that in there. Oh dear Lord, that smells. Use in a well-ventilated space, away from children and animals. Well, we'll get a nice, good, solid, not runny, not patchy coat on there. God, you pro plumbers must slather this crap on with that little brush. Somebody please tell me if I'm doing something wrong, because this is another day of firsts for me. Learning new skills. Alright, oh, look, painted there, painted there. That's pretty firm already, and if you can see, I don't really want to hold this over the glass, keep it over the cardboard I've got here. But that's snug, and it's created a fairly even bead around the edge, which I am pretty chuffed with. Knowing my luck, I haven't pressed record again either, have I? Don't worry about it. I'm not in my gloves. If I do that, then... just slap it on. We're more interested in having an even coating than a neat one. Right on cue. God, this stuff stinks. Whoever invents smell-o-vision will make a fortune on product tests like this. Whee! Nice. Even coat there. Nobody light a match, hey? My God. Yuck. What stops the lid from sticking? Right, now that's none too neat.